Hello guys, el día de hoy estuvimos trabajando con nuestro libro, por ahí contestando algunas páginas. No lo voy a poner todo para que no se haga tan largo el video porque tenemos una lectura que leer y quiero que por ahí me la manden en un audio a mi WhatsApp para que empecemos ya a trabajar con el libro, ¿ok? La lectura es esta de aquí y también les voy a mandar fotografías por si quieren imprimirla para que la tengan ahí. Pero aquí está el audio. Se llama
Blue Willow.
Blue Willow. Déjenme ver si tengo el audio puesto porque si no, no lo van a poder escuchar. Así que espérenme tantito. Ah, sí, no estaba puesto el sonido. Ahí está. Okay. Entonces, ahí va otra vez, ahora sí.
Blue Willow.
Blue Willow.
Leanne lived in China with her father. She was a kind girl, but her father was rich and selfish. Leanne looked at the beautiful view of the trees, the mountains, and the ocean. She was sad and bored. She was lonely. She asked her father, "Please, can I visit the mountains and the ocean? I would like to feel the warm sun and touch the cold water." But he said, "No, my daughter, you can't. You must stay at home."
Okay.
Leanne had one friend. His name was Chang, and he was the gardener. They talked about the world outside. "What did you do this morning?" Leanne asked. "I walked in the beautiful green fields," Chang said. "Lucky you. What did you see?" Leanne asked. "I saw birds. They danced in the sky," he said. One day, Leanne's father said, "You must marry Wang, the farmer." Leanne said, "I don't want to marry him. He's old and he's unkind." But her father said, "He's rich. You must marry him. You must do what I say." Leanne was sad. She wanted to swim in lakes and streams and climb mountains. She didn't want to marry an old man. "Poor you," said Chang. The next morning, Leanne and Chang ran quickly over the bridge to an island. They sailed in a boat to the mountains. Leanne felt the sun on her face and she smiled. Leanne's father shouted angrily, "Where did my daughter go? Who went with her?" His cleaner answered, "Chang went with her. They went to the mountains." Leanne's father followed them over fields, stones, and mountains. He saw them in a cave. He was shouting, "You must come back," when Leanne and Chang became birds. "Where is Leanne?" shouted her father. "I am here, father," she said. "I am dancing above the cliffs and the ocean, and I will never return."
Wow, this is a beautiful story. Ok, está muy padre la lectura. Entonces espero que la empiecen a practicar. Y recuerden, tenemos hasta el Monday para que me entreguen este audio. Por eso practíquenla lo más que puedan para que me manden el audio ya a mi WhatsApp. Ok, eso es lo que vamos a estar haciendo con esta tarea. Ya mañana vamos a seguir practicando con nuestro libro. Entonces los dejo y nos vemos el día de mañana. See you tomorrow. Have a great afternoon. Bye, bye.